guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. So today it is currently Wednesday and I figured I would go ahead and vlog for you guys today, and if you can't tell, I'm so excited. I have new artwork above my bed, and so I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys all of the new updates that I did to my apartment last night because I'm so excited. So I did a lot of rearranging my bedroom, and so this is what it looks like right now. I definitely should have done like before, but I'll leave my apartment tour link down below so you guys can see what my bedroom looks like before, but it's coming along. And so I just bought these 3 prints that I actually unboxed in a previous vlog, and so I did Chicago, Nashville, and New York City. And so I bought those from Society 6 and then just got picture frames from Michaels. And then this used to be over here, but it just looked awkward over there, and so we put it right here and tilted it. And then I put my nightstand and like blanket holder over here. We just kind of flip-flopped those. But now the next step is I want to get something taller right here to kind of like even out both of those. And so I'm going to look for like a tall gold lamp that'll hopefully complement the gold rack. So yeah, that is what my bedroom looks like right now. I absolutely love it. Finally it's coming together. This wall was just so plain without those prints, and so I can zoom in for you guys what those prints look like, but they're just like city maps of all of those places. And so Nashville is currently where I live. I'm from Chicago and my sister lives in New York City, which I love New York. And so yeah, I got all of those, and I absolutely love the way that my bedroom is finally coming together because for those of you guys who don't know, I moved into this specific unit back in July and it is now April, and so I finally have everything together. But for the longest time I didn't know like what I wanted to do above my bed, and then finally figured out and finally just kind of like bit the bullet and bought everything. So yeah, I'm excited. But anyways, today is Wednesday. I'm about to head off to work. I can share with you guys the outfit that I am wearing, and so this is the current outfit if it'll focus. So this is the current outfit that I'm wearing. Here is like a full body view of the outfit. And so these navy blue pants are from Lulu's. I absolutely love them. I want to get more pairs like in different colors. And then my heels are just these nude heels from Target. And then I'm just kind of wearing this like cropped sweater, which is from Missguided. It's a little colder out today, and so I figured the sweater would be good. But I like that it's cropped because my pants are like high-waisted, so it's still like work appropriate. But yeah, that is my outfit for work today. I am going to now go ahead and make some coffee, I think, if I have time. Yeah, it's only 8:36, so I have a little time, so I'm gonna go ahead and make some coffee, and I'll share with you guys how I've been making my coffee recently. So this is how I've been doing my coffee recently, and so I just put a bunch of ice in this little like to-go cup, and then I've been using this. I picked this up at Publix the other day and I've been really enjoying it. So this is the La Colombe coffee. This is like their cold brew. I love like the individual La Colombe cold brew coffees that you get in like the little tin cans. So good. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of that in here, not too much, just because this is like kind of strong and I'm a baby when it comes to coffee and I can't handle super strong coffee. And then I have this creamer from Trader Joe's. This is their French vanilla, and so if I could open it, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and put the rest of it in here. I know it's like a to-go cup, so it's not gonna be like that cool montage of like it changing colors, but I do put a lot of creamer in here, which is kind of bad. And then I just kind of mix it all together. Literally, the lighter it is, the better, because like I said, I cannot handle coffee or like cold brew super strong. And so yeah, now it's, you can't really tell, but now it's super light, which is what I like. That's a little mini tutorial on how I make my coffee. But I am about to head off to work, and so I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. Hello guys, so I'm home now from work. After work I got my car wash, which was much needed, you guys, because all of this pollen literally made my car so dirty and just like gross, and so I did that after work. But now I went ahead and changed my outfit, and so I'm just wearing some Lululemon Align leggings, my Nike Air Force Ones, and then this like cropped sweatshirt, which is from Aerie, and I'm gonna go for a walk right now. I feel like I just want to get my body moving and just go for a walk. I'm not sure how long I'll go, probably like a 30 or 45-minute walk, just kind of around town. And so yeah, I'm about to head out. I have my AirPods right here. I'm probably just going to listen to some music or throw on a podcast or something like that and walk. So yeah, that is the current update. Hello guys, so I'm back home now from my walk and I just feel so much better. I feel like that's the thing, is like even though it was just a walk, I just feel like if I'm ever like not feeling going for like a walk or a run or a workout, I always just tell myself to do it anyways, because afterwards you're just going to be so glad that you did. Like I feel like you never regret a workout, and so I'm trying to live by that. But anyways, it is 6:30 now and I'm going to start with my nighttime routine. I am so into routines. I just feel like they just make my life put together, and so I'm gonna start my nighttime routine, but I'm going to take my makeup off, shower, and cook dinner, kind of like start relaxing for the rest of the night. I definitely want to read a little bit too, because I am almost done with my book that I'm reading, and so I really want to finish it. And so yeah, that is just kind of a little brief update of what the rest of my night is gonna look like. Just super chill, super casual, and like relaxed. I still have to think about what I want to do for dinner. I have a couple of options. I just went to the grocery store, and so I will probably think on that and then I will keep you guys posted. But right now I'm just gonna go ahead and take a shower. All right, you guys, this is my dinner tonight, and so I just made some rice and broccoli and then just some grilled chicken. And so yeah, that is my dinner for tonight. And you guys already know I'm watching Nashville. It is so good. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and eat this. So it is after dinner now and I'm about to hop into bed and finish my book. This is called Untamed. I've really been enjoying it and I am almost done, as you guys can see, so I want to go ahead and finish that book tonight. And so that is the current plan. Also, you guys, I still am not over my new layout of my bedroom. I think it looks so good and I'm literally obsessed with these prints right here. I just think that it looks so good, and so I'm just like so happy every time I walk into my room. But anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish reading this book. Hello guys, so it is the next day and I figured I would just go ahead and end the vlog right here. And so I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on all my social medias. I will link them down below for you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.